how to adjust block level settings on Envision monitor. And okay guys, here in your Envision monitor, on the back of this, you can see here this joystick. Okay, you can push to the right to see these settings. Here in settings, okay, go to extra by pressing down the joystick and select extra. Here in extra, okay, you can see here the block level. Okay, to go to this, you'll have to do is press the joystick to the right and push down the joystick to select and go to block level. And the block level is set into 50. So okay, to adjust this, okay, you'll have to do is push the joystick to the right and now here in adjustment. So you can adjust by push down or up the joystick. So for my example, I up this block level by push up the joystick and set into 60. So if you want to less or decrease the block level, okay, you can push the joystick down. So for my example, I set into 42. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully adjust block level settings on Envision monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.